Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to make invisible name on Facebook. As you can see, my current Facebook name is Niloy Khan Araf, and now I'm gonna make it invisible. So click on this down icon here, settings and privacy, settings, and make sure you are in general section, and here you have to click on your name and remove your name and last name. And here you have to put a code, and the code you will get in the video description. So I'm pasting that code here. Here's the code. After pasting, you have to cut this bracket and dollar from here, and make sure this dot is here. Don't cut this dot, and from here you need to cut this dollar and bracket from here, and make sure this dot is here. In this last name section, I'm pasting that code again, and also here I'm removing the bracket and dollar sign, and I'm coming here, and also I'm gonna removing this dollar and bracket from here. Then I'm gonna click on review change and select the first option, and now here you have to put your password. So I'm giving my password here, save changes, and after that I'm going to my Facebook profile, and here we can see my name is invisible now. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.